Empleyadong nag-resign tapos hindi nakapag-comply ng rendering period na 1 month or 30 days. Nagugulat sila na biglang ang naging status nila sa company ay terminated, no? Tapos sinisingil pa sila ng damages. Ang rason kasi dyan na sa ilalim ng labor code natin sa article 300 may nakalagay dyan na ang empleyado should notify the employer of the resignation 30 days or 1 month before. Kapag hindi na comply, then liable for damages yung empleyado. Kaya nangyayari dyan, ginagawa ng mga employer considered as first AWOL, then nagpa-progress into abandonment of work, then abandonment of work is termination, tapos maninigil ang damages yung employer to project. So watch the full video in the link in this